What's up, y'all? It's Braden here with Liberty Landscape Services here in Lutz, Florida. Today I'm going to give you all some tips on how to keep your yard nice. First, when you're taking care of these nice St. Augustine yards, you want to make sure you set your deck height appropriately and you don't cut your grass too short. When you cut your grass too short, you might end up scalping it, which could kill the grass. When setting your deck height on your mower, you want to make sure you're not taking more than a third of blade length off when you're cutting your grass. This will vary between yards because some yards have more grass and more lushness than others, but make sure you set it appropriately so you don't scalp your yard. Another great tip for the summertime would be to mulch your landscape beds. Not only does it look good, it helps your plants survive the drought because mulch helps retain water in the landscape beds. So during the summer months when we don't have all the rain and we have a lot of sun, that helps. Tip number 3 when taking care of your grass in the summertime would be not to blow your clippings that you just cut into your landscape bed. Not only does it look bad, it can introduce weeds that you do not want in your landscape bed. Tip number 4, and probably the most important tip I can give you, is to properly water and fertilize your property in the summertime. With the summertime heat and the droughts we may have, when you properly water and fertilize your yard, it keeps it looking great. The 5th and final tip I can give you, and don't forget, is to have fun. Tools like this Maximus by Greenworks behind me make it easy. One of the great things about this mower behind me is that it has a dump bed feature, which makes carrying materials around your property a breeze. And that's how it's done. Follow Greenworks for more tips.